Airplanes stay airborne through the principles of aerodynamics and the careful balance of forces acting on the aircraft. The key factor is lift, generated by the shape of the wings known as airfoils. As the airplane moves forward, air flows over and under the wings, creating a pressure difference that results in lift. This upward force counteracts the aircraft's weight, allowing it to defy gravity. Additionally, propulsion systems play a crucial role in keeping the airplane in the air. Jet engines, commonly used in modern aircraft, generate thrust by expelling high-speed exhaust gases. This thrust propels the airplane forward, overcoming drag and maintaining forward motion. To ensure stability, engineers carefully design the aircraft's weight distribution and balance. Control surfaces, such as ailerons, elevators, and rudders, allow pilots to maneuver the airplane in different directions. Pilots use these controls to adjust the aircraft's attitude and maintain a stable flight. The interaction of these factors, lift, propulsion, weight distribution, and control, creates a delicate equilibrium that enables airplanes to stay airborne and navigate the skies safely and efficiently.